seeing more whooping cough these days than ever before, or than in years. Last year there were almost 1,400 cases in Minnesota. I think the primary reason is people are just not getting vaccinated. You know, there's a lot out there about people getting autism from vaccinations that has not been proven, and people are reluctant to get these. And I suppose probably the medical profession, with the things not appearing as much, has been a little lax in not pushing the shots. Whooping cough, or pertussis, is not a pleasant thing to have. Actually, my son had it about 5 years ago, and it's just a terribly nasty sounding barky cough, and the person who has it is not comfortable, and the people around him are not happy to have to listen to it, and people can get quite sick. The younger that you are, actually, when you get it or exposed to it, people actually can die from it. And so, just besides the inconvenient part, there are health reasons to not get pertussis. In terms of who should get the booster shot, it's the Tdap shot. We give it to adolescents. They're usually due to get a tetanus shot somewhere in there anyway, and we're giving them one that has the diphtheria booster in it. We're also giving it to people who have had a tetanus shot without diphtheria anytime, whether it's been less than 10 years or not. And older people, we're also giving it to them to prevent their getting exposed to it. We're also giving the booster to women late in pregnancy, and especially if they are going to be exposed to infants less than a year old. If you have an infant and you want to prevent them from getting the whooping cough, first of all, get it yourself. Be a good parent and make sure that you are not giving it to them. And just as with the flu vaccine, the Tdap is offered at all the Allina medical clinics.